Hey, what's up you guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Hyundai Palisade, you have to have trailer wiring installed. It's required by the law. Let's go ahead and break down that really easy install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Now on the driver's side, we have a panel that we need to remove. It's held in by 3 push pins. There's one here, here, and here. And there's 2 plastic nuts up here that we're gonna remove using the 14mm socket. Now we're gonna start with the push pins. We're just gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pop those off. And we're gonna use a 14mm socket and an extension to remove these plastic nuts. Now it helps to pull down on the panel as you're removing it. Now with our panel removed, we have access to our pre-wired plug where Hyundai makes this really easy for us. It's just taped up right here to this existing wiring. We're just gonna go ahead and remove this tape. And we're gonna take off the cap. We're just gonna push down on that tab right there, and that will just pop right off. Then we'll take our trailer wiring and we'll plug it in. Now we have a fuse holder already connected on here, so we need to plug in our provided 15-amp fuse to power up our trailer wiring. So let's go ahead and plug that in. Now we're going to zip tie everything with the black loom in our converter box right behind here. We're just going to bundle it up first. We'll take a zip tie. And then we're just going to tuck it in here. And we'll zip tie it again. Now with everything secured, we're going to take our 4-flat harness and we're going to bring it over to our hitch receiver where we can mount it right next to it. We're just going to go through our bumper support. Let's go ahead and do that. So now let's talk about how you can store your 4-flat harness. Now the most secure way is using a 4-flat mounting bracket. Now this is not included with your kit, but you can pick one up at your closest U-Haul or at uhaul.com. Now, you would just take this and you would drill into your bumper to secure it onto it. Now, our customer does not want to drill into the bumper where it will leave permanent holes in it. So our next option is to secure it to the toe loop. Now, you would use the provided dust cover. You would loop that through the toe loop onto the wiring, and then this kind of helps contain it right there. Now there's a lot of risk involved in this. If the dust cap comes off, this can go and drag on the ground and get damaged, and then you're gonna need a whole new wiring kit. So if you are gonna go with this option, make sure that you always put the dust cover on as tight as you can. And then if you have any extra slack like we do now, you're gonna wanna zip tie it up in the bumper so that if this does come off, this is the lowest it will drag if it's zip tied up there. So we're gonna throw some zip ties on there and make sure that it's as secure as it can be. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall our underbody panel. So with your wiring all powered up, you're ready to tow a trailer. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.